Hi, this is Mike from J&M Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra. This was provided to me by Manscaped, so thank you very much for the sample. So the box is very nice. I was very impressed by the packaging. It's a pretty big box, which is nice. This is all the sides. This is the back of the packaging. So again, very nice, very clear on what it does and all its functions. So I like that. It explains to you what each thing does. So I like that it helps you with that. So inside says the gold standard of groin trimming. So it's like, okay. So that's pretty cool. This is the charger on the inside. It comes like this. I just took it out so you can see the charger. So it'll arrive like this. So, and then it has the trimmer here. You turn it on here, right here with this button. You just press it. And then it has a flashlight, which is pretty cool. Of course, it's helpful if you're trimming down there. You definitely want to see what you're doing. And then you want to turn, this is to turn on and off the flashlight. And then this is the battery right there. So like how much it's left charged. And if you want to plug it in, you would plug it in right here. So let's turn it off. Okay, so, and then of course it has their brand name there, Manscaped is there. So again, it's a little bit heavy, which is nice. I like that it's not super light. This is one blade that it comes with. It also comes with the other three blades. I had taken them out since I opened it already. So you have these two blades here. You can replace this one. So it comes with these two. And you also have this blade here. So you would have to take this one off and then put this one on. So for the sake of time, I'm not going to do it just because it would take a little long, but not a little long, but just for the sake of the review. So that's, you have these parts. Also comes with a very nice little travel case. So this is the case. This is the other side. So it's very nice. I like it. It has like a sleek, shiny design here. So not on this side, but on this side. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. I really like it. Looking forward to trying it out. So again, thank you again to Manscaped, and hope you enjoy it and hope you check it out.